show you right now. Look at this. I just created this, by the way. These are pre-colored, as you can see. Now the job, what's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? Ike Paz here with a brand new video on a really cool niche within Amazon KDP, the world's biggest buyer search engine traffic platform. I'm going to show you what the niche is, how to create it real quick, and you might already have this pre-built if you are a current Nurie Creator member, Pro or above. Let me know down below if you already are and if you've tried this out already. Okay, first let's shrink myself here. Let me scale down a bit. Okay, so I clicked on Nurie Creator. Before that, I want to show you the new Toolshelf keyword tool. Now, actually, I've done 4 updates in the past 3 days. Okay, and this is the ultimate version. You have access to this right now. You can get this if you're not a member. You can get this for free. Just check out the link below in the pinned comment, and you can get access to this keyword tool, a tool that other sites will charge you an arm and a leg for. You can get for free forever right now. Anyways, I want to show you. There's a lot of different features you can click here. So if you want just Amazon, you click buyer intent only, because remember, when people search on Amazon, their intention is what? To buy, right? So this is the actual niche here. I should say market, reverse coloring book. This is a very weird coloring book market, and I'm going to show you why in a little bit. But as you can see here, it's pretty ripe. Okay, it's ripe for us to get into. There's some caveats though, so I want you to watch this video until the very end to learn what to do, and more importantly, what not to do. Very important. So here we are. As you can see, this coincides with what we found on our tool here in Toolshelf. As you can see, the result count, let me expand that for you, is only 1,000, okay? Now, a reverse coloring book is very odd. I'm going to show you what it is in a little bit. Basically, it's pre-colored pages, right? Let me show you right now. What the hell am I doing? Let me show you right now. Look at this. I just created this, by the way. These are pre-colored, as you can see. Now, the job of your customer, now again, I'm not the target audience for this, so I can't. I just learned about this recently, this past week. The target, what your user want, what your customers want to do is with a pen or a ballpoint pen or a pencil, they want to outline the colors, right? So as you can see, the theme is pretty clear and present. All I had to do, let me show you what I did here within Nurie. I put in your prompt, I just put the word birds, okay? And I'm going to explain to you why I did all this. And in page type, I went with reverse coloring, okay? And went with shapes, okay? Then after that, white with background. With background includes not only the target niche, but also you want to fill the page up with other coloring elements. In this example, already colored elements. I went with 8.5 by 11 trim size. This is your standard trim size when it comes to activity books, okay, like coloring books. And I went two per prompt times 10, okay, and I click generate images, right? Okay. Now, if you're a pro member, you can just add the queue, and you can close your computer, and once your order is complete, Nurie Creator will send you an email, and it's going to let you know, hey, your order is complete. Come back and get your book. Okay. So then here I am. I got my book here. Very simple. I can download everything and print it out. Not print it out, excuse me, but host it on Amazon KDP and sell it on Amazon KDP. And if you don't know, Amazon KDP is a really cool way to earn online. Okay. Basically, anyone. I know if you know my stuff, then you know what Amazon KDP is already. But for those of you, for the uninitiated, for those of you just stumbling onto this, basically you upload a digital PDF of whatever book. It can be a diary. It can be a puzzle book. It can be a coloring book, like I'm showing you in this video. It can be a novel. It can be a nonfiction how-to book, whatever the case may be. You upload it to this site. You could only have one account, and it's going to go live on Amazon, just like here. It's going to go live on Amazon, and then people are going to find it. This is what's the now. This is very important. You have to find niches that people are actually looking for. That's what my tool does. But anyways, it goes live on Amazon KDP, and then when people buy it, Amazon takes care of the physical aspects of it. It's going to ship it out. Sorry, first it's going to print it out, then it's going to ship it out to your end user, to your customer. Okay, so all you got to do is upload the PDF just once. You got to do that once. You sit back and you collect royalties. Now, this is real. I've helped many, many people do this. Me and my business partner, Luke, both, we've helped many people do this. And it's an amazing way to earn online. And what I like to do in my videos, if you've seen any of my videos, is show you these really cool markets, these really cool niches that you can hop into right now. And we also provide the software tools to make the process 10 times easier. Okay, Nurie Creator is one of those tools. Okay, so as you can see here, so again, your traditional coloring book, it's black and white, right? Your end user, your customer has to color in the blank spaces, right? In this example, the color is already there. Your end user has to trace out the actual images, right? Now, why did I go with birds? Well, as you can see, and this is very important. This is what I'm about to say right now is really important when it comes to the reverse coloring book market niche. Okay, so first off, the term the reverse coloring book is trademarked. I want you to understand that real quick. As you can see here, the reverse coloring book, that combo of words is trademark. Now you can use reverse. Don't be worried about reverse coloring book. You can use the word reverse coloring book for kids, reverse coloring book with birds in it, for example. Reverse coloring book for relaxation. You can use all those terms because you're being descriptive. Okay, you can't copyright or trademark descriptive words, right? Because it's the English language or any language for that matter. So in this example, reverse coloring book for anxiety, those are perfect. But you just can't use the keyword the reverse coloring book. And second thing I want to preface here is try to avoid this person, this trademark holder, try to avoid their book cover style. Okay, so they have a big rectangle here, and the background they have the coloring aspect. That's fine, but you shouldn't emulate these types of books here with the trademark. Okay, now these other ones, feel free to emulate. For example, here, reverse coloring book for anxiety relief. It's perfect. Okay, you can definitely jump into that if you want. Reverse coloring book for relaxation and creativity. Ink tracing coloring book. That's really clever, right? Because that's basically the same thing as a reverse coloring book. You're tracing the colors with ink, right? That's really clever. That's not trademarked, as you can see. Just want to let you know how this works. Okay, now check this out. You see this person here. This is a good example of reverse coloring book, right? Really cool, really neat. And it's very intricate, this one. Okay, so that's what you do. You go ahead and you can download all of these and set it up in a book, create a book cover. If you don't know how to create a book cover using our software solutions, check out the pinned comment. I'll have a video there as well showing you how to create that. Again, very simple stuff. Also, within BowesPaz, if you sign up below right here, you get all our training for free. Okay, so I always recommend people to start right here. This course right here, I show you some case studies, how to earn online with this method, and it's pretty helpful. I've helped many other people do this, like I mentioned before. So jump on in and make use of all these tools. Make use of my free training. Make use of this tool shelf. We have several different tools here, 100% gratis, free for you to use. Go ahead, enjoy. Now, one way I like to find out if people are actually watching this, and I know I sound like a broken record, forgive me. One way I like to find out is by asking a question. Let me know down below. Answer the question for me so that I know you made it up to this point. Now, what did you eat for breakfast? I know, it's pretty pretty standard question. I want to know because what I had for breakfast, well, I just had coffee. I'm just a coffee drink. I'm not a big breakfast person. Now, my kids and my wife, we live in Japan, so they eat something called natto. Natto is fermented beans. They eat that over rice. Very sticky substance. It's kind of an acquired taste. I can eat it. I'm not a fan of it. I can eat it. It's very good, nutritious, very good for you. I believe it's the best source for a bioavailable vitamin K on this planet. It's one of the contributors to Japanese lifespan. They live pretty long, these people. There's several reasons why. But anyways, fermented food, daily hot baths. Anyways, I can go on about that. Anyways, that's what they had for breakfast. I just had my cold brew, and I'm weird that way, okay? Because I like to drink cold brew year round. I don't know. Let me know if you're like me. Anyways, let me know what you had for breakfast down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll make more videos like this. Again, talk to you soon. And if you're a Nurie Creator member already, let me know down below. If you've used these tools already, let me know your experience down below. I'd love to hear it. Okay, be good. Take care and have a wonderful day.